Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bianca. Today I'm going to be doing a fall decorate with me. So we're going to be in my living room today and I'm going to be showing you how I decorate the fireplace, the mantle, and the bottom part of it. Before I actually show you how I'm going to decorate everything, I just want to let you guys know that what I do for these decorate with me videos is I decorate it all how I want it to look, and then I take pictures of it, and then I take it all down, and then I film it for you guys. Because it actually takes me hours, depending on how much space I'm decorating, it does take me a while to see how I want it to be decorated because I'm moving stuff around, switching stuff out, getting more decor out of my closet, trying to see how I want it to look. So it takes hours. So imagine if I film that, it would take me forever to edit it and forever to put it out for you guys because it does take a while to film and to edit. So I just want to let you guys know that I actually yesterday took that day to decorate, and it did take me hours. Like I said, I took pictures, and now I'm going to show you how I want it to be set up. So I just wanted to put that out there so you guys don't think that it's so easy for me to decorate and it takes me within minutes to do it, because it does not. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I cleared out the top of the mantle, and now at the bottom, well, it's not completely clear, but I'm gonna leave that little basket and that lantern there. And well, not there, I'm gonna move it up on top. So I got this from either, I always forget if it's Ross or Marshall's. Got it from one of those stores. And now I'm just going to put this pumpkin pillow. I honestly don't even remember where I got this pillow from. I did want to add some color to this as far as putting a blanket. So remember, I did go to the Target dollar spot. I was looking for those fall blankets they have in the Target dollar spot. I would like to get the brownish, burgundy-ish blanket to kind of lay out of that to give it some color, because it is very, very neutral, like too neutral for me. So also my mantle is so long. It is about 7 feet wide. So that is a lot of space to decorate, which I love. Do not get me wrong. You guys might remember this ladder. I'm gonna put it right here. I actually bought this from Hobby Lobby. The lantern is going to go somewhere right here. Oops. I'm gonna leave it open because I am gonna put something in there. With that ladder actually comes with these 3 buckets that I'm about to show you, but I'm only using one. So if you've seen it or you follow me on Instagram, I know I've posted it before. I'm just going to put one right here. To the bucket, I am going to put this pumpkin that I have. This is from Hobby Lobby, maybe a few years ago, and I do have some trash bags in there just to give it height, but it's not going to go inside of it. It sits on top because it's too big. Of course, if I put it like that, it'll fall in there, but I'm just gonna sit it on top like that. I also have a bunch of these fall leaves that came from a garland a while back that I purchased, and I'm just gonna add some to the sides, kind of sticking out a little. So what I did was just cut up that garland. Last year I had some of it on my coffee bar or station area. The last thing I'm putting on that ladder is just this farmhouse fabric. I'm just gonna put this. If you've seen my haul yesterday, then you've seen this. The last thing I'm putting at the bottom is this Target dollar spot basket. I've been having this for a couple of years. It's kind of like a copper color, really pretty. It's stained a little bit on the inside. I don't know what that is. It's probably slime when my kids would play with it. I'm adding 2 pumpkins. This orange pumpkin that I hauled yesterday from the thrift store. And what I'm gonna do is remove this leaf. And then this little pumpkin pig that I painted this green color. I'm gonna go ahead and add this wooden piece right in the middle. This is from Hobby Lobby. I got it on clearance for $12.49. It was originally $50. To the middle of that wooden piece, which I completely forgot what it's called. You guys told me last time and I forgot because that was a while back. So just let me know in the comments below what it's called. I'm gonna be putting a wreath right there. Stay tuned for the end of the video so you can see how I make the wreath, and then I'll set it in the middle. So I bought 2 of these copper baskets. Go right there, one on each side. This was from the haul yesterday. I will link that at the top so y'all can see all of the stuff that I got. This beautiful brown glass, which I am becoming obsessed with, is from the Dollar Tree. This is from the haul yesterday from the thrift store for only $1. And I'm gonna go ahead, I said I was gonna stain it or paint it, but I'm gonna leave it like that for right now. I have another Dollar Tree brown glass. I cannot find any more. Every time I go, I get lucky and find one. And so on one of my trips, I found this one first, and this was the only one they had. And then on one of my other trips, I found 2 of these, and that was it. Adding a couple of pumpkins. People always ask me about these pumpkins. I like to go to Hobby Lobby and get that box of pumpkins. This was in a separate box and this was in a separate box. They always come in like, I believe 6 or 8 pumpkins. Now I'm gonna grab more of that orange garland of leaves that I used on the ladder. Taking the other thrift store pumpkin, I'm gonna set it on top of another little orange pumpkin that I get a lot of questions about is this one, which came in the same package, the brown one. Now I'm gonna grab this little copper bucket and I'm gonna show you what I'm adding. Like I said, I have a little bag in there and I'm just gonna be adding some filler to the top. A lot of this stuff is all from different places. So I hauled this stuff as well yesterday in my fall decor haul. So go and watch that to see where I got everything. Okay, now moving on to the left side. And I will do close-ups of all of this stuff at the end of the video as well. Now to the left side, I'm adding the same little bucket. Now I'm taking this glass vase. I love the color of that. And these Walmart $3 flowers. Taking another Dollar Tree brown vase, putting it on this side. Now I'm adding a Walmart pumpkin, another orange one. All right, here is my wreath. So I have some light greenery right there from Walmart that I tore apart. I tore the leaves apart for this. And as you can see, some of those orange pumpkins. I have a couple of acorns. And then those 2 orange leaves also came in that filler with the acorns. And then I have a Walmart stem right there. So the wreath is done. I love the way it came out. I just posted a picture on Instagram while I was uploading some of these clips to my computer. So I'm pretty much done with the mantle. The last thing I want to do to bring all of this together is change out those black and white tiles for fall. I am in love with those. I love that tile. Anyways, for right now, I'm gonna take it off, but then I don't know if I'm gonna put them back on for Christmas or wait till after Christmas. I guess it just depends on how I decorate for that. And what I'm gonna do is just change them out for these. I have 2 of these, and I think this would go good with my farmhouse rustic type of fall decor that I have. All right, it's super simple. I have one hanging up already, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to use the command tape or strips. So that's what I always hang most of my stuff with, because, see, look at that. Because it doesn't damage your walls and it's just easier. So that's what I have. And I had these hung up recently on the wall, so they still have that strip. It's like Velcro, so all you have to do is just turn it around and put it on there. So now I'm just gonna back up and see how it looks. Yes, I really like that. All right, you guys, thank you all so much for watching today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.